Let's start with renaming a couple of things. So here, first, this is going to have some value, right? So I'm going to call this A. So let's make that substitution here. So sine inverse of third equals A. And then I'm going to call this B. And sine inverse of 1/5 equals B. So A and B are just some angle corresponding to 2/3. So I can just write it like this. I can say that because these are inverse functions. So when you switch these two values, you go back to the original one. So sine of A equals 2/3, and do same thing over here. Just switch these two. You go back to cosine. So cosine of angle B equals 1/5. Sine of angle A equals 2/3. But now over here, see what we have is tangent A minus B, and tangent A minus B is a difference formula. So you use difference formula for tangent, and difference formula for tangent is tangent of A minus tangent of B divided by 1 plus tangent of A times tangent of B. This is a difference formula for tangent function, and I'm giving this guys, and I want to find tangent A of tangent B from here. Okay. So if sine of A is 2/3, I'm going to assume that, okay, both A and B are in the first quadrant because 1/5 and 2/3 are both positive. So they have to be in the first quadrant. So I'm going to make two triangles here, one for angle A, and then the other one for angle B in the first quadrant. So sine is 2/3, so opposite over hypotenuse. And then you will do 9 minus 4, which is 5. So this is √5 here. And cosine of B, that's 1, 5. 25 minus 1 is 24. So this is square root of 24. And then we'll just compute tangent A and tangent B. So tangent A is opposite over hypotenuse. So that's 2 over √5 minus tangent B is √24. This is √24 over 1, which is just going to be √24 divided by 1 plus 2 over √5 times 24. So to simplify this, I don't know how much farther we have to go with the simplification, but we can certainly just do this. Find a common denominator, so multiply top and bottom by √5 here. This will be 2 minus 5 times 24, that's 120. So this is a root 120 over √5 divided by, and this one here is 2. So this is like, this right here is like 1 plus 24 √5. And again, I can find a common denominator, which is √5 plus 2 times √24 over √5. And then √5s will cancel it because you're going to do the reciprocal. So then this is just going to be, so if I write this as, okay, let me just write this again like this, √5 plus 2 √24. Okay, so that's basically one type of answer, but we may have to simplify this. Let me try to do it maybe one step right here. Okay. So 124, I mean 120 is like 2 times 60, and this is like 2 times 30, and that will be 4 times 30, which is, so if you write 2, this is 15, and that's like 4 times 30, so which is 4 times 30, that's 2 √30, right? So it's 2 minus 30 divided by, and the other one is √5 plus its square root of, see, 24 is 4 times 6, so this will be 2, and that's 4 √6 here. Okay, and I guess that's pretty much it, that it cannot be simplified more than this, unless if we have to multiply this by the conjugate of that, which I don't think that's really necessary, but leave this simplify this, you may just need to use the calculator to approximate it, but it's asking for exact value. So this